Welcome to the unboxing video of Hikvision DS-KIS202T 4-wire analog VDP. One of the integral part of smart home application, 4-wire analog VDP is a cost-effective device to secure your home, family and loved ones. Sleek in design and robust device makes the grade for a smart home gadget that can provide security in a cost-effective way. The VDP kit includes DS-KIS202T and DS-KIS202T-IM, 5-meter and 4-meter wire, and other accessories. Some of its key features are lens 1x2.7 Cmos sensor. Door station has full HD 2-megapixel camera. The video door station has 2 extensions for outdoor, 3 extensions for indoor. The video door station has I/O output, that is 1 relay output, audio input, built-in omnidirectional microphone, audio output, built-in loudspeaker, 1 4-wire interface, 1 channel video input, 1 channel audio input and output, 1 channel power supply and 1 channel grounding. 7-inch colorful TFT LCD with 800x480 resolution. Offers noise suppression and echo cancellation feature. This network VDP villa door station can be applied to luxurious home, apartments and villas. Make your home smart and secure with Hikvision 4-wire analog VDP.